guys, I'm here today with my Mint Mongoose. My name's Fawn and this is my channel and it's a happy place most of the time. I do unboxings and I do hauls and I do lots of bits and pieces, and mostly I come on here to chat with my friends because you guys are the people I like to talk to. So if that sounds like your thing, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. So we'll start with Mint Mongoose, but I've got a few bits of housekeeping to do as well. For example, Celine, I just want to let you know that the parcel that I sent you that you had to reject did arrive back here yesterday morning. So don't worry, I got everything back. So it's only ever one that I've lost completely. This one's come back and I'm able to, you know, use and send the things to other people. Now, Mint Mongoose comes these days with a t-shirt as well, which I'm really enjoying their t-shirts. As a consequence, I've stopped getting the tea bag, tea club t-shirts. Always comes with a thank you on. So let's see what the t-shirt is this month. Oh, again, it's a nice dark grey, and it says, you can see where I got that from, make it a glass half full kind of day. It was the glass and grey turned into grass. But isn't this a nice t-shirt? Let me just show you. Make it a glass half full kind of day. I love the t-shirts that come from Mint Mongoose. I really do. I think they're fabulous. Quality is lovely. They're really, really soft, really nice. I think I might have to get in touch and go for a bigger size because I'm getting bigger all the time. But that is a really, really nice t-shirt. I mean, I wear them with jeans, but I also, quite a few of them, because they are so very, very soft, I wear them as pajama tops, you know? Because with hot flushes, ladies, I tend to wear a t-shirt and knickers. I can't be doing with full sets of pajamas. I'm just like corpsed all night. Anyway, so that was the t-shirt. Then you get your jewellery. And it always comes with a card. It's always beautiful. It's always like this, beautifully wrapped. Make it a glass half full kind of day, it says on the card. So let's have a quick look at the inspiration for this box. This month's set is inspired by the glass half full mentality. She designed this set to resemble the truth of life, that when there is one thing working against you or causing pain, resembled by the small pendant, there are 8 things working for you. Now that's true, isn't it? I mean, we all get bogged down. Just lately here, I felt a little bit bogged down, to be fair. My eldest daughter, as you know, is supposed to be taking this job in New York and the American embassies are all shut. So she's having to do the job that she should be doing in New York from her spare bedroom in a flat in London. I mean, she's like this with stress and pressure because she can't meet any of the clients, she can't meet any of the people that she's working with. And we all speak different languages, and this is not just about Americans, because a lot of the people on her team aren't American, they're from other countries. But there's what we say and then there's what we mean. I don't know if I'm putting that very well, but you know, the simplest little sentence can sound so many different ways. And if you can't see the face of the person that's saying it, it's very difficult to know quite what they mean, whether they're being off or whether they're being encouraging or whether, you know what I mean? So anyway, she's going through that. I'm saying, you know what I mean a lot, aren't I? But she's going through a lot of that at the moment and I'm very aware. I'm a bit, you know, I'm a bit worried about her, to be frank. I think she's got a lot on her plate. And come on, American embassies, open up for goodness sake. Anyway, so it is true. We quite often have one thing that can seem really, really huge and almost insurmountable in our lives. But actually at the same time, we've got lots of other little things that are going for us. And if we add those together, they must surely quite often outweigh the one big thing. So I like it. Make it a glass half full kind of day. Sounds like me, doesn't it, really? Right, let's open this up. I always have problems opening this up. I'm going to cut it. The glue that they use, I wish I knew what it was, because I tell you, it's damn near impossible to open just with your fingers. And then here's the little bundles that come inside, always with your yay it's here and thank you card. I love Mint Mongoose jewellery. I was wearing one of the a blue pendant the other day that came with my Mint Mongoose, and the number of people that said, oh, that's really pretty. You know, that's all you really want, isn't it, with jewellery? For people to go, isn't that nice? So let's see. So which one should I start with? I don't know, I'll start with this one. They always have this thing about having a free box if you spend £40 in their store. I never have as of yet. I maybe should. It rolls around to birthdays maybe. Got quite a lot of birthdays coming at the minute. Mine is, mine's the next one. May used to be a really heavy month in this household because there was my nana, my mum's mum, was the day before my birthday. Then there was mine. Then there was my daughter's, my eldest daughter's, and then there was my dad's. But now we're down to just me and my daughter, so it's just 2 in the month, where it used to be 4, and there were sort of 4 significant ones, if you know what I mean. So here we go. This is, oh, isn't that pretty? How simple and delicate that is. It's just a little, does it slide along? I think it slides. Let's just have a feel. Yes, little slide along bead on a necklace, gold necklace. I'll just slip it on, see what it looks like, but I like that. I like the delicate stuff that you can layer and layer and layer. As usual, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stations, so you can pick how long you want it to be. I'm just always relieved if I can get it on when I'm doing these. There we go. Whoops. Let's sit forward and have a look. Can you see that? I've got it quite low. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. That's just so simple and elegant. Wouldn't it look great against a black top? Then, I think this must be the earrings. I have to watch out with my Mint Mongoose because my kids, my daughters, they're always losing earrings, and they always come wandering and going, you have nice earrings at the minute, Mum. And then it disappears off. They disappear off, never to be seen again. So let's see. Okay, so these are shepherd's crook. Oh, and look, they've got three of the beads. Same bead as the necklace. Really like those, don't you? Really like those. Let's just pop them in. So there we go. That's the earrings. Oh, I think they're gorgeous. I have to say, I think they're gorgeous. They're kind of bringing a bit of glam, a bit of bling, but not ostentatious. So I could wear these, I mean, with my hair up. Look how pretty they are. I'm really proud. I love Mint Mongoose. And then the last one feels much heavier. Let's see if I can open it. This one's a necklace again, I think. Oh, would you look at that? Isn't that just to die for? That is absolutely gorgeous. Don't know that it's going to show up that well against this dress because I'm wearing a very floral dress. Now it's long, guys. It's long, guys. Look, it comes down sort of level with my low-hanging boobies. That is absolutely gorgeous, and it all works together. That is so lovely. I'm chuffed to nanas. I always am with Mint Mongoose. It is so nice. The quality, it's lovely quality, the things you get from Mint Mongoose. I've never had anything turn a funny colour, or, I mean, they all stay immaculate. I love it. I'm really pleased. I just wish I'd put a different top on. I should have put like a plain black top on, shouldn't I? So that you could get a proper look at the 2 necklaces layered and the earrings. Brilliant. Another bit of housekeeping is that Stine has been in touch. She's a lovely lady from Norway, and I'm sorting out her prize as we speak. I've been online. I'm getting really good at finding companies that will do things in other countries. I mean, Amazon is always brilliant, but I think I found one that's actually Norway native. So that would be really good if I can do that for her. I'm gradually catching up with everything that I got so far behind on when I was poorly. Do you know that laryngitis or tonsillitis or strep throat, I heard it called? That really took the feet from under me. So I'm back up and I'm back doing well. But it just seems like everywhere I look, there's things that I haven't done and haven't finished. I sat down and made one of my epic lists this morning and nearly died when I realised how much I've got to do and to catch up on. Anyway, that's me. That was Mint Mongoose. Just a quick visit and just a bit of a chitty chat with you. I also want to say so many of you are writing comments and I am reading them all, and I love you all. I think they're absolutely brilliant. I love hearing from you. So please do keep chitter-chattering. And I will be here again very soon, I'm sure, because, well, that's me. So, yeah. See you soon. Bye, guys.